We're excited to announce that Mercury just launched the all-new V10 Verado. It's 5.7 liters, 350 or 400 horsepower. It's going to be a great engine for a lot of different boat applications, from saltwater center consoles to pontoons, freshwater fish, big day boats. It's got a lot of power and torque. It's got an exciting new gear case and propellers to make sure that we're getting all that power into the water. That's going to be really a winner for a lot of different kinds of boaters. So the new V10 continues all those features that customers like about the V8 and the V12. It comes in black plus 3 colors. It's got advanced sound control, so if you want it nice and quiet when you leave your dock in the morning, and then maybe a little rumble when you leave the sandbar, it sounds fantastic. It's got advanced range optimization, so you can get more miles out of your boating day and out of your gallons of gas. It's just packed full of features and connectivity that really make it a perfect part of the Mercury family. On the V10, maintenance is more like the V8. We have a service door, so you can do your daily checks through that door without needing to remove the cowl. And then at 100-hour intervals, you'll need to take the cowl off. All the maintenance points are color-coded. They're easy to reach right under the cowl. The new V10, the standard engine has a best-in-class 150 amp alternator. It's a common feature on all the Mercuries. Best-in-class power because we know boats have more and more content. So all new gear case and all new propeller family, the Revolution X that comes out with the new V10. It's got a big torpedo, 6.4 inches in diameter, really lifts the boat. The 4-blade Rev X propeller gets all that power into the water, so you can have great hole shot. The mid-range punch is awesome. You got to hold on when you hit the throttles on this one. Like all of our high horsepower outboards, the V10 comes in a lot of different colors. We know people like to customize, so you can get it in phantom black, of course, because it's Mercury. You can also get 3 shades of white. It also comes with the same accent panel strategy that we have on the V8, so you can add a flash of color to match your hull sides, maybe custom paint those with the custom paint on your boat, so that it really sets it apart and looks like your boat and your engines.